Good morning. Ayan. Finally, Sir Jerry, thank you so much for the pasalubong. Wow, this is really cute. I love it.
I love it.
The souvenirs are really cute. So we have here 2 keychains. It has something here. God bless. So from Texas. So cute. And there's one other one. A cowboy. This is cute. So cute. And we have here the oink oink. So cute.
I get an oink.
Wow, oink oink. Yeah, and then we have here a mini we call it one. This is one or that paso. See. Thank you so much. And of course, this one, the basket. Thank you so much, Sir Jerry. Thank you. God bless. Bye.